Welcome back to AORUS 101. Today, we're delving headfirst into the AI Nexus, an AI feature specially tailored for AORUS gaming laptops. Crafted by the team at GIGABYTE, this feature seamlessly integrates into the GIGABYTE Control Center software, bringing innovation right to your fingertips. Firstly, you'll need to access the GIGABYTE Control Center, affectionately known as GCC. Typically, GIGABYTE laptop users will find this software automatically launching upon boot up. After opening GCC, you're greeted with the gateway to AI Nexus on the homepage. Clicking on it will unveil the three main features of AI Nexus: AI Power Gear, AI Boost, and AI Generator. Think of these as your VIP passes to extended battery life, performance enhancements, and a front row seat to the AI Generative Fun Show. Let's break it down, starting with AI Power Gear. It's the first utility in AI Nexus. On this page, you'll see several presets tailored to different scenarios, which you can choose based on your needs. However, if you want to experience fully automated power-saving functionality, simply click on the AI Power Gear button at the far right. In short, this smart tech acts as a watchdog for your laptop's power. In battery mode, AI Power Gear shuts down the dedicated GPU to save power, but it activates when plugged in. By automatically toggling the dedicated GPU switch, users can enjoy the benefits of the dedicated GPU when performance is needed, while also minimizing unnecessary power consumption when battery life is a priority. This results in significantly improved standby time for all AORUS AI gaming laptops. Next, let's introduce the second ace up AI Nexus's sleeve, AI Boost. It also features presets for user selection. However, if you wish to experience the fully automated AI performance enhancement feature, it's also straightforward. Simply locate the AI Boost switch at the top and toggle it on. That's it! Once activated, AI Boost can detect the software and scenario the user is currently engaged in, automatically switching scenario profiles without the need for manual intervention. This means it can automatically select the optimal performance settings in any usage scenario. Take gaming, for example. The moment you launch a game, AI Boost stealthily shifts into gaming mode. It subtly overclocks your system, enhancing your visual experience by making everything smoother and more responsive. And the best part? It does all this without you having to dive into settings or tweak anything manually. It's like having a pit crew in your laptop, constantly tuning it for peak performance. Lastly, let's talk about AI Generator, located at the bottom of the AI Nexus page. AI Generator is where you'll find different generative AI applications. Currently, we've integrated Stable Diffusion into 2024 AORUS AI gaming laptops. Simply click on it, and you're set to summon the AI Generator into action. Once it's up, you'll be greeted with a straightforward GUI of Stable Diffusion. At the top, you've got a spot where you can type in a description of the image you want to bring to life. Below that, there's space to mention anything you don't want included in your masterpiece. Towards the bottom of the interface, you'll encounter additional advanced parameters, which you can ignore for now. However, you could obtain further information by searching online for tutorials related to Stable Diffusion. When you're ready, simply hit the Generate button on the right, and the software will begin generating. You'll then be presented with 4 similar images to choose from, all automatically saved. You can use the toolbar above to open or delete them as needed. If you want to generate a new image in the style of an existing one, there's an option to upload a base image for the software to reference. This is simple operation guide of AI Generator. It simplifies its interface as much as possible, making it more user-friendly. This enables users to start creating directly without worrying about complex parameter settings. It's worth mentioning that during the operation, all computations are performed on the laptop itself, eliminating the need for an internet connection or uploading to the cloud for re-download. This not only enhances privacy and security, but also makes the process more convenient and efficient. GIGABYTE will continue collaborating with third parties to integrate more generative AI applications. This means users can expect to see more innovations and feature upgrades in the future. Here's today's presentation. In the AI era, there is a growing demand for better computing power and efficiency. With the acceleration provided by the RTX chip, users can achieve faster image generation speeds. The NPU chip conserves power more effectively during AI processing. The AI Nexus unleashes the laptop's potential automatically, and the physical Copilot button allows for quick access to AI assistants. AORUS AI gaming laptops integrate all the elements necessary for the AI era, making them the ultimate companions. If you have further questions or need additional assistance with AORUS 101, feel free to drop us a message anytime. Until next time, happy tuning and team up, fight on!